SushiSwap DeFi Platform Review. My usage experience. SushiSwap is a decentralized finance DeFi platform designed for crypto traders and liquidity providers seeking an efficient, user-friendly ecosystem for token swaps, yield farming, and staking. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, SushiSwap has expanded to support multiple chains like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Avalanche, making it a versatile choice for multi-chain enthusiasts. At its core, SushiSwap enables permissionless token exchanges with competitive fees of 0.3%, rewarding liquidity providers with a portion of these fees. Its standout feature is Sushi Bar, where users can stake sushi tokens to earn X sushi rewards, offering passive income potential. For advanced users, the Cashi lending and borrowing platform allows leverage trading and token lending with isolated risk pools, a significant advantage over traditional lending platforms. During my experience, I found the interface intuitive, even for newcomers to DeFi. Adding liquidity to pools was seamless, with transparent APY displays and easy tracking of rewards. SushiSwap's integration with decentralized wallets like MetaMask made transactions straightforward, with minimal technical hurdles. The platform is especially suitable for those looking to maximize returns through yield farming. However, rewards can fluctuate due to market conditions, so it's essential to stay informed. Security-wise, SushiSwap has undergone audits, though users should remember that no DeFi platform is entirely risk-free. Its open-source nature ensures transparency, and the community governance model gives token holders a say in platform developments. SushiSwap also offers MISO, a token launchpad for new crypto projects, which adds further value for developers and investors seeking early-stage opportunities. One downside I noticed is the occasional high gas fees on Ethereum, which can be mitigated by using SushiSwap on Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum or Optimism. Additionally, while the range of supported chains is growing, it still lags behind some competitors in terms of interoperability. Overall, SushiSwap delivers robust functionality for traders, stakers, and liquidity providers. Its versatile tools, multi-chain support, and community-driven governance make it a solid choice for DeFi users looking to diversify their strategies. For those who prioritize user-friendly interfaces with advanced financial features, SushiSwap is a platform worth exploring.